Today we're going to show you how to change an oil filter on a DXS style York compressor. The one here is a DXS 45, but this same configuration and style will be found on a DXS 36, DXS 24, and a DXS 12. You'll also see this on an MTS and a CTS York as well, the oil filter style. Step one is you want to make sure the compressor is isolated from the system and make sure there is no pressure inside the compressor. Next, you're going to loosen up all the bolts, which you can see I started here. After you're done taking them out, one of the tricks is that these oil filter covers have 2 drawer out bolts. So you want to then take one of the bolts that you just removed, put it into the drawer out bolt, and then evenly draw them in on each side until the plate pops out. Now, once it's removed, make sure you careful you don't drop it. Next, you have the oil filter in place. You want to pop this out. You want to take 2 flathead screwdrivers, just stick it on each side and pop forward. The oil filter will come out. And then you want to make sure this is all nice and clean. Any debris or whatnot is cleaned out. And then the next step is you will take the new oil filter, remove it, put some oil on the O-ring there, slide it in, pop it back in. On the plate itself, you want to make sure it's nice and clean. You want to change the O-ring, which will come with the oil filter repair kit. Obviously, take your drawer bolts back out. Now that the drawer bolts out, the plate is clean, nice fresh O-ring. Put a little oil on that. Want to put this back on. Line up your holes. Pop it in. If you have a hard time popping in, if it's lined up, you can easily just draw it in slowly with the bolts. And you put all the bolts in, time them down, and retorque them. And you just change your oil filter on the DXS York screw compressor.